Hey Amy, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. I know you're asking why I'm making this video, and it's simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are just spending their time running their business and taking care of their customers. And they don't have the time to learn how to, make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, just give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today, Amy, is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, start with content. That's everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So like house cleaning, Dallas, cleaning service, Dallas, stuff like that. Now, Google wants you to have 1,500 words on your front page, up to 1,500 up to about 2,000 to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your image is saved as. So, if you look at your website here, I really like that you've got the bacteria and the spread the message, kind of pretty clever, and it also gets people thinking like, dang, I definitely want to make sure I'm sanitizing because I don't want that stuff in my house. So I do like that. Content-wise though, Google's gonna want you to have some more. It looks like you probably have about 200 words on this page, and Google's going to want you to have about 1,500. If you look at your main competitors, you got DallasMaids.com. They really don't have all that much actually, they got a decent amount, but not all that much. They probably have like 700 words. You get 1,500 words on your page, you'll blow them out of the water. Then Two Maids Dallas, probably got about 600 words on their page. So again, 1,500 is going to blow them out of the water. So that's my first tip for you. Also, you can save your images as keywords you're searching for. So instead of like attachment 1588, you could save it as like cleaning service Dallas or something like that. All right. If you look at your main, next thing I'm going to talk about is going to be backlinks. Backlinks are important because Google, content is king, but Google's also a popularity contest. And so they're looking at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning services linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000, but it gives you some per month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so it says right now you have SanitizePros.us has 4 websites linking to you. You're not being found for any keywords, and you have no traffic. That's fine. At least you have 4 links coming to you, but this kind of shows you definitely want to include the links that you're looking for in your content, such as like cleaning service, Dallas TX, stuff like that. If you look at your main competitors, Dallas Maids, they have 244 websites linking to them. That's not that hard to do. You could probably do that within a month or two. You can safely add about 10 a day, but then that's the first place people. The second place people only have 54. You can literally beat them in a week. And look how much traffic they're getting in. 635. Could you imagine having that many people go to your website? So the best way to do this is just copy your competitors. Go figure out what domains they have and go get those same ones linking to you. All these ones: house cleaning, maid service, house cleaning, clean house rank, clean house. These are all really good ones I would go take. Last thing I'm going to talk to you about is going to be citations. This is important because if someone types in cleaning service Dallas TX and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaner that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that cleaning service because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, many people skip these ads right here because they've had bad experiences, but there's also a large group of people with ad blockers who never see them. So the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. So a great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding about 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you, and you typically only have to do maybe like an hour or 2 of work per month just to hold the number 1 spot and keep getting all those easy close customers. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative, Amy. What I went over today was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up to about 1,500, 2,000 words. And you want to make sure that your content has keywords that you want to be targeting, like cleaning service Dallas TX. 2, copy your competitors' backlinks and just go add a bunch more on top. So you don't have to go for the full 244. You can do that as you scale up, but even just going for like 60 to 70 links should help you get a ton of business, and as long as they're good quality ones. And you can do this before fixing your website. Go figure out what directories your competitors are in. list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top, and that way you'll rank at the top of the Google My Business local map pack ranking. Aimee, if you want to do all this yourself, I'm glad to help you out. Like there's no strings attached whatsoever. If you want to take this and do this yourself, that's totally okay. The only thing I ask for is you just give me like a sentence or two of feedback as a response to this email. And if you want me to help you with this, please give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much, Aimee. I really appreciate talking to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.